Hi guys, my name is Onyeza. Welcome to my channel. Today I am making chicken and fried rice. So the first step is to heat up your butter and add your chicken and then fry that up. Okay, so here I'm gonna add my black pepper and then I'm gonna add my salt to taste. Okay, so I have also added about a teaspoon of paprika to fry this up. So now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of garlic and about a teaspoon of tomato paste. Okay, then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of butter. Then I'm gonna add my mushrooms and then I'm gonna fry that up. When all of this is ready, I'm gonna set it aside and then work on my rice using the Instant Pot. Okay, so on my Instant Pot, I am gonna hit the saute button and then I'm gonna add my olive oil and then I'm gonna fry the onions first. So I'm gonna fry my onions for about 2 to 3 minutes and then after that I'm gonna add my peppers. So that's the yellow pepper, red pepper and the green pepper. Okay, then I'm gonna add my washed basmati rice. Make sure you wash your rice before you put it in. Okay, then fry that up for about 2 minutes or 3 and then add another cup of water. So the way I measure it, if I use 1 cup of rice, I also use 1 cup of water when I'm cooking basmati. And I think it's different when you're using brown rice or any other type of rice. And then I have added about half a teaspoon of turmeric spice. And then I'm gonna close this up and let the Instant Pot do its thing. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to my settings, and then I'll cancel the saute option, and then I'll click the rice option. So this will take about 12 minutes, and unfortunately with this option you cannot increase time, so it's gonna be this 12 minutes, and you can't take it down either. So it's gonna have that auto option. Okay, so 12 minutes later, I am going to release my steam. My rice is ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add that chicken that I've fried previously, and then I'm gonna just mix it up, and then my food is ready. Look at it, it is so delicious. Let me know if you try this, and let me know if you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.